Hi, are you looking for an easy Lego build for your kids to do? Well, coming up, we're going to be unboxing and building this Lego Junior set with minimum input from Dad. That means I'm not going to help much, just a little bit, okay?
Yeah, just a little bit.
So that's coming up. I've been teaching for 20 plus years and I'm very passionate about making learning fun and engaging with my kids.
I'm Leon, I'm 5, and I just want to do cool stuff with my dad.
Okay, how about you, Mom?
I'm Maya and I'm 3. And I'm Maya and I'm 3. And I also want to do fun stuff.
Okay, good job. Okay, so it says 4 to 7. Leon, as of a week ago, is now 5, right? How old are you?
5.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes.
Let's see. So should we open it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, so it says it's Lego Juniors and it's easy to build, apparently. Okay.
Wow.
Oh yeah, and this was one of Leon's birthday gifts from his birthday last week, right? Okay, so
Easy.
So- how many bags have we got in here?
Wow, so many.
So many. 1, 2, 3. 3 bags.
And also this.
1, 2,
3.
and a few loose pieces. And is that all? Oh, one more in there. Yeah. Okay. Some loose pieces and
I found this.
our instruction booklet.
I found
Okay.
Yeah.
Step 1. Kids never enjoy the sorting out bit, but
And
if
now
we don't
I
sort,
like to do the sorting out.
but if we don't sort out, it takes us about twice or as long to build these. So we're gonna sort all the pieces first, right? So these are the pieces we need first. We need that piece and wait. We're gonna put them in a line here in order of what we need. Make how to next.
Yeah, next.
Okay, right. What's the first part? Maya, you join this piece to this.
Okay.
We're gonna do it here, remember?
Okay.
Okay, and put your sleeves on. Put your sleeves up. Do it with us and be happy. Okay, great job. Okay, next.
Ah!
Oh, that big round
Oh,
thing.
I do it this.
Good. Okay, and 2 more of those. Do you want to do one? so before we build the rest, we got a question for you, right? What in the comments? Leave us which Lego set have you built that didn't take very long at all? That's perfect for young kids. Okay, so
this one's not long.
this one is nice and easy, right?
Yeah.
Okay. One on both sides. Good. Then the no. Yeah. Oh, nice. Also. Right, and then one on the other end.
Look at it.
Leon, where's the?
Then what do you mean?
We're missing a piece.
What piece?
One piece missing.
I don't know.
We'll have to get one. See if we got one of them colour in our boxes. We got a lot of spares. Hopefully we got a spare. It looks like we're missing one piece, one of these. We only have one. It's not. Looks like it's not vitally important, but maybe we.
We have one.
Good. Same colour. Oh, not
Only
exactly
that
the same. Okay, not exactly the same colour, but it's near enough. Okay. Right. So here, right now, we need to put on the ramp.
Can you please stop? No, wait, two. There have to be two.
Oh, I found it. Ta-da.
Hi.
Okay. Okay, we don't need that, please.
That piece in there.
Okay. Right. So we got our lights. And we're done, I think. I think that was a spare as well. Okay. Wow, good job,
We're
guys.
finished!
We're finished!
Yay! We can easily finish this one.
Okay.
Oh, I wanna
Right,
see
okay, so let's show them how it should look.
Bye.
No way.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
No way. Okay, so that's all for this build. Easy build, right? We like this one, right? Yeah?
How
Okay.
this
So we do fun stuff every week. Subscribe if you want to watch our videos. And
press this bell next to subscribe, and then that means you can't miss any video.
yeah, Liam wanted to draw a bell to show you the bell notification. Okay, so that's all. We'll see you next time. See you next Saturday. See you later, alligators.
In a while, crocodiles. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.